Liyah, Lapu-Lapu City's newest superhero, Episode 5, Ang Kaso sa Nawala nga Balaan nga Copa, The Case of the Missing Holy Cup. The warm glow of sunset bats Birhen sa Regla's church in Lapu-Lapu City. Inside, the Sunday service buzzes with the happy voices. Liyah hides in the crowd, humming along to the familiar songs. Blaze, curled up at her feet, pretends to be a good tuggy. John, cloaked in darkness, slips into the church. His eyes are glued to the front, where Father Lucas gets ready for a special part of the service. But John has a secret weapon, a junky necklace made from old trinkets. He clenches it tight, filling it with bad feelings to mix with Liyah's moringa power. Suddenly, Liyah feels all sweaty and weak. The powerful feelings she usually gets after singing is gone. Panic hits her like a wave. As the singing reaches its peak, a big fuss erupts near the front. Father Lucas reaches for the shiny silver cup used for the special part, but it's missing. Everyone gasps. The cup, a super old treasure passed down for ages, is gone. Liyah's stomach drops. Without her full moringa power, she barely stands. Blaze whimpers, knowing something's wrong. Liyah whispers, "Help me, Blaze." Blaze gets it. He barks and runs towards Father Lucas. Liyah follows, her legs wobbly. The missing cup isn't just fancy, it's super important for the church. Father Lucas explains, his voice shaky. No broken windows, no signs anyone snuck in. The church was locked tight before the service. Liyah can't sense anything extra with her powers being weak, but she has an idea. They race to the room with a special camera that sees everything. The blurry video shows a hooded figure entering the church before the service. They hang around the back for a bit, then disappear. It's hard to see who it is, but the timing is suspicious. Just then, John burst in, pretending to be surprised. "The cup is gone. Oh no!" He suggests calling the police and offers to search everywhere. Father Lucas, desperate for help, agrees. Liyah has to think fast. She asks the crowd if anyone saw anything weird before the service. John, acting all helpful, says they should search the area known for petty thieves. Blaze senses Liyah's worry and lets out a loud bark. He nudges a feather lying near the video printout. Liyah recognizes it. It belongs to a rare bird owned by a strange collector who lives nearby. Following the feather claw, they find the collector. He's all flustered and admits to stealing the cup in a drunken daze. Thinking it was a valuable object, ashamed, he quickly gives it back. John's plan flops like a wheat pancake. The service continues, with Father Lucas using a plain cup. He reminds everyone that faith is more important than fancy things. The recovered cup sits proudly on the altar, a reminder of the church family sticking together. Liyah and Blaze are the heroes. Their quick thinking and Blaze's sharp eyes save the day. John sneaks out unseen. He may have lost this round, but his jealousy burns brighter than ever. The sun sets, casting long shadows, and Liyah promises to be extra careful. John isn't done yet. Thank you for listening. To receive Liyah's next adventure as soon as it drops, be sure to hit the subscribe button.